we are going to be playing Roblox, and we are going to be playing an obby in it, or we're going to be playing a tycoon, but I guess we're going to do obbies, because obbies are funner for me. I like obbies more. So let's go ahead and get into my Roblox. And if you guys enjoy this video, at least could I have one like? One like. That's all I want in one view. One like. Whatever. And we are going to go to Make a Fun Obby. I was playing Superhero Tycoon last, but let's go to Make a Fun Obby. I'm actually really good at this. I'm at like level 300 something in it. There's like more than 1,000. I saw someone more than 1,000, so I know there's way more. So let's get into Mega Obby, and I'll see you guys when I load into it. I am back, and we are on level 305. I'm pretty far into this, but I've been playing this obby for a while, so it's probably me like I'm really far at it. I've been playing it ever since like a month or something. Or ever since it was like famous, a week or two. But let's get started. So I'm on this one level I got stuck on, but I hope I get not stuck. I hope I finish it. This level is so hard. Okay, let's start from. Oh yes, I did it. One hard jump. Finally made it again. Sweet. Make it again. Sweet, and I made it. Yes, that was the level I was stuck on. Okay, what side should I go on? I'm going to go on this one. Okay, jump, and then spawn point. Jump. How did I not die? Oh, wait, I forgot. Yay, I didn't know there was a lag in this server. Okay, let's keep on going. I hope my game doesn't crash, really. That would be so bad. Okay, let's keep on going. 300-010. Sweet. This is fun. Okay. Start going through. Okay. Yes, do that. This is gonna be hard. Can I just do this? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this the easy way and like kind of do another. Yay! Why am I here? Oh wait, I think I know why I'm here. The game was lagging ever since, so I spawned right here, and 310 again. Yeah, I'm on 312. I remember I made it there. Oh, finally, it's not lagging. Yep, and then I'm here. Yay! If you want to finish that one level and you're stuck on it, just do what I did. Okay, are these like vents? No, they're not vents. I know that for one thing. Because they have these, like, whatever, rectangle circles in here or whatever. Whatever they're called. Tubes. Yep. There. Okay. Finish this. Oh, it's like a staircase. Okay, and then another one. Jump. Jump. And then jump. And then jump. Finished. 316. Finished. Oh no! This is not lagging more. That's at least better. Okay, jump. I didn't touch it though. It's not cool. Okay, just go on the very sides then. I think I know why I just died. Jump and jump. Jump, jump. If I had a computer, I would finish. I would be like 1,000 already. I'm used to computers. Is this like certain? Okay, doing it. Just keep on jumping. But yeah. Doors. I know you cheat on this. Let's just keep on going until I find the right one. Right one. Okay, let's actually see. Yay. Is it just metal or something? Yeah, and then it's metal. Okay, I think those are just doors you could just walk through. And then, what the heck just happened? I know it's this, and then this, and then... Why am I going through it then? Does not make sense. Okay, it's that one, and then this one. This one. I hope I got it correct. What? Okay, finally. That was just weird. Oh, wait, I went backwards. Why did I do that? Okay, let's go on this long French fry. Oh, I'm sliding on it. 320 feet. Can't touch that. Jump up here, here, and then jump, and then booyah, I made it. Jump. Oh no. Oh no, I fell. Why do I look gray and I have like the same body as John Doe? I finished that. Oh yeah. French fry balls. Okay, and then next one, and next one, and next one. Oh my gosh. I totally did not fall on that. And that too. Why is this so hard? I can finish this. I jumped. I pressed the jump button. I don't know what's wrong. I'm gonna start going backwards for some reason. Let's jump down to another level. It's easier. Okay, I'm just gonna be starting from down here. Going backwards. Yay. Okay, and then over here. Here, and then here, and then, yeah. This one, I think I'm just gonna go straight on. Just straight in, that's all. Another straight one. Keep on going. And then another straight one. Keep on going. And then that's all. And then you could just walk on this. I think so. Okay, jump, and then... Okay, let's do about 10 more levels, and then I'll be stopping this video. Okay. No. Okay. And, of course, I'm here. Let's just try to defeat this level then. Okay. And I fell here. Sweet. Okay, 240. I don't think I remember here. Okay, then. That'll be the end of this video today, then. I finished at least like 20 levels, and that's all I'm gonna do. 321. So that was not too much from where I was, but from 300, but okay. I did like 15 levels, but this will be the end of this video. And I'll be posting 2 videos because I made one earlier. So, goodbye.